this dory does so well. It's amazing. 15 feet long and it just floats like a duck. Coast Guard is over there training, I think. Their helicopters. Stay. This is a sockeye salmon I caught on a Fog Neck Island. And these are a bunch of veggies. I'm trying to cook these veggies nice and slow. Well, this is a fun day. Get some hiking, relaxing on the beach. So what I have found is these carbon steel pans with a longer handle, and they're angled up a little bit. With a leather glove, you can move them around on the campfire all day long without worrying about burning yourself. In fact, you can almost do it without gloves. So I think in many ways that the carbon steel pans are superior to the cast iron pans when it comes to campfire cooking, just because of the handle. This particular one, I drilled a bunch of holes in it to make it lighter. Time for some Jim Beam whiskey. Good thing I don't have to go anywhere tonight. I just wanted to say thanks for joining me. It's nice having you along, enjoying my campfire. Good morning. Another beautiful day in Kodiak. Looks like my hot water is ready for my cereal. Good morning. Coffee going here, waiting for the sunshine to burn off the dew. So I'll go for a nice hike. It's going to be a busy day for the float planes. Picking up hunters, dropping them off. A friend of mine is flying out to the South End Island to do a boat hunt right now. This is just the coolest beach. Really fun to walk barefoot on. Nice hot sand. I brought my bow with me camping. I'm going to do some stump shooting. So I have these, see if you can see this or not. Got these blunt arrow tips I'm going to try. They work really well because they don't go in very far in the stump and they don't stick. And then I got some shells from the beach. And I set them up here kind of like a golf course. So we're gonna shoot these, and also I'll try filming with my GoPro on top of my head and see if we can get a different angle. I'd say this one's about 20 yards. This was more like a mound of dirt than a stump, and it zipped on through, but it was a pretty good. I love these things. They just bounce right off of everything. I am guessing that this is about 25 yards. Whoa, that was close. Man, I'm saying if that was a deer, it'd be a dead deer. What do you think? This one's about 10 yards, I'm guessing. I'm string walking, so I have to adjust my string based on the distance. I nailed that shell. Look at that. Right through the middle. Nice. That one was a little bit low. Might have. Ooh, did you hear that smack? About an inch low. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna keep shooting till I destroy my arrow. What the heck? That bounced back. If that didn't bend it, I don't know what will. I think it's okay. Might have a slight wobble. I'm gonna stop shooting that stump. Let's see here. I think I can do better. I'm gonna try that again. But I think when I am shooting left, that means that I have bad form. So I need to work on my release, a smooth release without plucking.